We'd had our conservatory for 15 years that had a glass roof, which we really liked the space, but found that it wasn't usable at times. Through some of the summer months it was too hot, and during the winter it was really cold. We saw a friend who'd had theirs done by New Look and really liked the look of it, both from the exterior and the interior, and thought it was something we could do to transform our space so that we could use it more often. Once we decided that we were going to have our conservatory roof replaced, we went with New Look Conservatories because we felt that Eddie, the salesperson, was very friendly, approachable, explained the whole process really well. We were also able to go and see their showroom in Northampton, which we could have a really good look at what a tiled conservatory roof would look like. So far we found that the fitters were very reliable, clean, tidy, professional. We're waiting for the plasterers to just finish the interior of the ceiling and some decoration to be done now, and then we're really looking forward to having the room back to be able to use it all year round. We've already had 2 people inquire about how the process is going as they're interested themselves, and we would have absolutely no hesitation recommending New Look to them or anyone else.